Are you seeking effective ways to support your kidney health and swiftly reduce proteinuria? Well, you're in the right place. In this enlightening exploration, we'll uncover the power of 8 essential vitamins that not only aid in lowering proteinuria quickly, but also provide vital support for your kidneys. From boosting antioxidant defenses to promoting proper kidney function, whether you're facing kidney issues or aiming to maintain overall wellness, these vitamins are your allies in the battle against proteinuria. Before we dive into the topic, make sure to subscribe for more healthy tips. Let's talk about proteinuria. Proteinuria is a condition of the presence of an abnormal amount of protein in the urine. Normally, the kidneys filter waste products from the blood while retaining essential substances, like proteins. However, when the kidneys are not functioning properly, they may allow proteins, such as albumin, to pass into the urine. Proteinuria can be a sign of underlying kidney disease or other health conditions. It may also indicate that the kidney's filtration system is not working well, allowing proteins to leak into the urine. In some cases, proteinuria may be temporary and resolve on its own, while in others it may persist and require medical attention. A common sign of proteinuria is foamy urine, indicating the presence of excess proteins during urinating. Swelling, particularly in the feet or face. The average level of proteinuria in adult males is typically less than 150 milligrams per day, same as in adult females. But this can vary depending on individual factors such as age and overall health. More than 150 milligrams indicating a sign of proteinuria leaking into urine. If left untreated, proteinuria can lead to further kidney damage and impaired kidney function. Over time, this can progress to chronic kidney disease, CKD, or even kidney failure, where the kidneys are no longer able to adequately filter waste from the blood. Therefore, it is important to monitor and address proteinuria to prevent complications and preserve kidney health. But wait, did you know there are foods and vitamins that can lower proteinuria fast? Here they are. Get ready for some easy tips that could make a big difference in your kidney health. So, let's get started. Number 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in safeguarding our bodies, particularly our kidneys. The mechanism is simple. When we expose ourselves to sunlight, our skin makes vitamin D, a nutrient essential for various bodily functions, including strengthening our bones and maintaining kidney health. Think of your kidneys as hard-working filters, continuously purifying your blood and eliminating waste. However, imbalances can occur, leading to excessive protein excretion in the urine, a condition known as proteinuria. This is where vitamin D steps in. Vitamin D aids our kidneys in working at their best by regulating vital minerals like calcium and phosphorus in our bloodstream. When these minerals are balanced, our kidneys operate more efficiently, reducing protein leakage into the urine. However, a significant challenge arises. Many individuals do not obtain sufficient vitamin D, particularly if they have limited sun exposure due to work environments or certain health issues. Low levels of vitamin D can weaken kidney function, increasing the risk of proteinuria. So, how can we enhance our vitamin D intake? One approach is to spend time outdoors, but it's crucial to protect our skin from sunburn. Alternatively, we can obtain vitamin D from dietary sources such as fatty fish, eggs, and fortified milk. If obtaining adequate vitamin D through sunlight exposure and diet proves challenging, healthcare professionals may recommend vitamin D supplements. These supplements can help ensure our bodies receive the necessary vitamin D levels to support kidney health and overall well-being. Vitamin D acts as a guardian for our kidneys, promoting their health and reducing the chance of protein in urine. Whether acquired from sunlight, diet, or supplements, ensuring adequate vitamin D intake provides vital support for our kidneys, contributing to our overall health and energy. Number 2. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, known as pyridoxine, acts as a protector for our bodies, particularly our kidneys. Here's why. Vitamin B6 is essential for metabolizing the protein we consume, converting it into energy. It serves as the driving force that ensures our kidneys operate smoothly. Kidneys serve as hard-working workers in our body, thoroughly cleaning and removing waste and toxins. Sometimes problems happen, and small crystals called kidney stones form. These stones can cause pain and harm your kidneys if not taken care of. This vitamin B6. This remarkable vitamin plays a crucial role in blocking the formation of kidney stones by regulating oxalate, a mineral involved in stone development. By maintaining oxalate levels within acceptable limits in our kidneys, vitamin B6 lessens the risk of kidney stones and resulting proteinuria. When our kidneys are free of stones and working at their best, they efficiently filter waste, ensuring our blood remains clean. Therefore, the chance of protein in our urine, indicating proteinuria, decreases. How can we increase our intake of vitamin B6? Fortunately, it is plenty of tasty foods like potatoes, poultry, and seafood. Consistently incorporating these foods into our diet ensures we obtain adequate vitamin B6 to sustain kidney health and prevent proteinuria. When there isn't enough food to provide needed nutrients, doctors might suggest taking vitamin B6 pills to make up for it. These pills help keep vitamin B6 levels right, which helps kidneys stay healthy and work well. Vitamin B6 is important for keeping kidneys healthy and lowering the chance of protein in urine by stopping kidney stones. Whether by eating foods with lots of vitamin B6, we can give our kidneys the help they need to keep us healthy and energetic. Number 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are really important for our bodies, especially our kidneys. These good fats, found a lot in fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, help keep our kidneys healthy and lower the chance of protein in urine. Imagine our kidneys as super careful cleaners, always getting rid of bad stuff from our blood. But sometimes they can get inflamed or damaged, which can cause problems like too much protein in urine. That's why we need omega-3 fatty acids. They're like superheroes for our kidneys. These strong fats can reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect them from harm. By lowering inflammation, omega-3 fatty acids help prevent too much protein in urine and keep our kidneys working well. Omega-3 fatty acids quickly stop inflammation to keep our kidneys safe. By eating more foods with omega-3, like fatty fish, we give our kidneys the help they need. If it's hard to eat more fish, doctors might suggest taking omega-3 supplements. These pills give us the omega-3 fatty acids we need to keep our kidneys healthy and avoid too much protein in the urine. Number 4, vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is like a protector for our kidneys, coming to keep them safe and working well. But what exactly does vitamin C do? And how does it help lower the chance of protein in urine? When it comes to reducing protein in urine, proteinuria, vitamin C plays a crucial role. If there's too much protein in our urine, it could mean our kidneys aren't working properly. Vitamin C helps by fighting off harmful substances in our body, which can damage our kidneys. By doing this, it might help keep our kidneys healthy and lower the chance of too much protein leaking into our urine. Vitamin C is a strong antioxidant found in lots of fruits and veggies like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers. When we eat these foods, vitamin C works its magic, stopping oxidative stress in our kidneys and lowering the chance of protein in urine. Oxidative stress is like a storm inside our bodies, causing damage to our cells, including those in our kidneys. But vitamin C acts like a shield, protecting our kidneys from this damage and keeping them healthy and working right. By eating more foods with vitamin C, like fruits and veggies, we give our kidneys the help they need to stay healthy and lower the risk of protein in urine. Number 5, vitamin E. Vitamin E, also known as tocopherol, acts like a shield for our kidneys, protecting them from harm and making sure they work well. When it comes to lowering the chance of protein in urine, proteinuria, vitamin E's antioxidant properties are particularly relevant. Proteinuria can indicate kidney damage or dysfunction. Vitamin E helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which can contribute to kidney damage. By lowering these factors, vitamin E may help protect the kidneys and decrease the likelihood of protein leaking into the urine. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant found in nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and vegetable oils. When we eat these foods, vitamin E starts working, helping to stop oxidative stress in our kidneys and lowering the risk of proteinuria. Oxidative stress is like a storm inside our bodies, causing damage to our cells, including those in our kidneys. But vitamin E acts like a shield, protecting our kidneys from this damage and keeping them healthy and working right. By eating more foods with vitamin E, like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, we give our kidneys the help they need to stay healthy and lower the risk of protein in the urine. So, vitamin E is really important for keeping our kidneys safe from harm and lowering the chance of protein in urine. Number 6. Vitamin K. Vitamin K, also known as the clotting vitamin, quietly helps our kidneys stay healthy and work well. But what does vitamin K do exactly, and how does it help lower the chance of protein in urine? Our kidneys are careful cleaners, filtering our blood to get rid of waste and toxins. But sometimes they can get too overloaded, and too much protein ends up in RP, which is called proteinuria. This can mean our kidneys are damaged or that we have other health problems. That's why we need vitamin K. It's really important and found in foods like leafy greens, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. When we eat these foods, vitamin K helps regulate calcium levels in our blood and stops calcium deposits from building up in our kidneys. Calcium deposits can hurt our kidneys and make proteinuria worse. But vitamin K protects our kidneys by making sure calcium is regulated properly and doesn't build up inside them, keeping them healthy and working right. Eating more foods with vitamin K, like leafy greens and vegetables, gives our kidneys the help they need to stay healthy and lower the risk of protein in the urine. So, vitamin K is really important for keeping our kidneys safe from harm and lowering the chance of protein in urine. By eating a variety of vitamin K-rich foods and considering supplements when needed, we help keep our kidneys healthy and working well. Number 7. Magnesium. Magnesium, often called the mighty mineral, helps keep our kidneys healthy and working well. But what exactly does magnesium do? And how does it help lower the chance of protein in urine? Magnesium is a mineral that serves several important functions in the body. It helps regulate muscle and nerve function, maintains bone health, supports the immune system, and aids in energy production. When it comes to lowering the chance of protein in the urine, proteinuria, magnesium may help through various mechanisms. That is found in foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. When we eat these foods, magnesium helps our kidneys by controlling blood pressure and stopping kidney stones from forming. High blood pressure and kidney stones can make proteinuria worse. But magnesium protects our kidneys by keeping blood pressure normal and preventing kidney stones from forming, keeping our kidneys healthy and working right. Eating more foods with magnesium, like leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains, gives our kidneys the help they need to stay healthy and lower the risk of protein in the urine. And if we need more help, our doctor might suggest taking magnesium supplements to make sure we get enough of this important mineral. So, magnesium is really important for keeping our kidneys safe from harm and lowering the chance of protein in urine. By eating a variety of magnesium-rich foods and considering supplements when needed, we help keep our kidneys healthy and working well. Number 8. Vitamin B9. Vitamin B9, also known as folate, is like a superhero for our kidneys, quickly stepping in to protect them from harm and keep them working well. But what exactly does vitamin B9 do, and how does it help lower the chance of protein in urine? Imagine our kidneys as careful cleaners, always filtering our blood to get rid of waste and toxins. But sometimes they can get overwhelmed, and too much protein ends up in their pee, which is called proteinuria. This can mean our kidneys are damaged or that we have other health problems. That's where vitamin B9 comes in. It's really important and found in foods like leafy greens, beans, lentils, and fortified cereals. When we eat these foods, vitamin B9 helps our kidneys by making sure cells work right and helping them repair any damage. Making sure cells work right and repairing damage is really important for keeping kidneys healthy and preventing proteinuria. Vitamin B9 acts like a guardian, making sure our kidneys get the help they need to stay healthy and work well. Eating more foods with vitamin B9, like leafy greens, beans, and lentils, gives our kidneys the help they need to stay healthy and lower the risk of protein in the urine. If we need more help, our doctor might suggest taking vitamin B9 supplements to make sure we get enough of this important nutrient. So vitamin B9 is really important for keeping our kidneys safe from harm and lowering the chance of protein in urine. By eating a variety of foods with vitamin B9 and considering supplements when needed, we help keep our kidneys healthy and working well. As we wrap up our exploration of kidney health and reducing proteinuria, remember that you have the power to support your kidneys every day. By adding these 8 important vitamins to your routine, you're taking steps to keep your kidneys healthy and lower protein levels in your urine. Keep up the good work, and here's to your ongoing journey toward a healthier you and stronger kidneys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful healthy tips.